Ever wondered why Earth is the only comfortable home for life? In this story, we'll dive deeper into the secrets of the blue planet, from its perfect position and protective atmosphere to the natural systems that allowed life to emerge. All these elements work together, forming the delicate balance that keeps life thriving. Ever wondered why it's precisely on Earth that we can live comfortably even while sipping coffee? The answer isn't as simple as it just fits. There are many small but crucial things that make this planet the coziest home in the solar system. First, Earth's position is just perfect. We're in the habitable zone, where the temperature isn't too cold like Mars, but also not as scorching as Venus. This location allows water to remain liquid, and without water, there would be no life. Water on Earth is really unique. There's just the right amount, it's spread widely, and it's constantly cycling through the rain-ocean-cloud cycle. This cycle makes Earth like a living machine that continuously refreshes the clean water supply. Our atmosphere is also top-notch. It's just the right thickness, not too thin like Mars. This layer regulates temperature, provides oxygen, and protects us from small asteroid showers that would otherwise fall every day. Ozone is the main bodyguard. This layer filters out harmful UV rays. Imagine living without ozone. Your skin could get severely burned in just minutes. Earth really has built-in protection. What's also unique is that Earth's atmosphere contains nitrogen and oxygen in balanced amounts. This combination allows living things to breathe without burning or suffocating from lack of oxygen. Don't forget Earth's magnetic field. It's like a giant energy shield that deflects solar particles. Without it, Earth's surface would be stripped by radiation, and life might never have emerged. This magnetic field exists because of Earth's liquid core that's constantly moving. So, the heart of our planet is literally a hot iron machine, constantly pumping out protection. Earth also has stable rotation and revolution. The 24-hour rotation gives us a perfect day-night cycle. If the rotation were too slow, one side of Earth could burn and the other freeze. The consistent revolution makes seasons come regularly. These seasonal changes help keep the ecosystem balanced. Plants grow, animals reproduce, and humans can farm with a clear rhythm. The continents and oceans on Earth aren't just decorations. They regulate air and water currents, creating weather that supports life. Without vast oceans, Earth's temperature would be chaotic. Volcanoes also play an important role. Even though they're often seen as scary, they supply minerals to the soil and helped form the early atmosphere millions of years ago. Plants are the oxygen production machines. They convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. Imagine if there were no plants. Our atmosphere might just be a pile of toxic gas. Sunlight itself isn't too strong or too weak. Its intensity is just right to warm Earth without melting the planet. We really got the best default settings. Ancient bacteria and microorganisms also played a huge role. They appeared first and began changing the atmosphere, increasing oxygen little by little. All these factors are like puzzle pieces that fit together. Without any one of them, Earth might just be a dead rock ball in space. Interestingly, this combination isn't found on any other planet we know. Earth is truly one in a million. Until now, no other planet has had this complete package. However, all this comfort is actually fragile. Small changes can disrupt the balance. That's why Earth's conditions must be maintained so it can remain habitable. And this is the beginning of our journey to understand the secrets of life on this little blue planet. It all starts from a balance that seems simple, but is very complex. In the next story, we'll discuss more deeply how these factors work together and what could cause Earth to lose its ability to support life. The story will get even more exciting. In the previous story, we discussed why Earth has the complete package for life. Now, let's delve deeper. How all these systems work together to keep this planet stable for billions of years. First, the atmosphere and magnetic field work like an awesome duo. The magnetic field blocks intense radiation while the atmosphere regulates temperature. Without the cooperation of these two, Earth could turn into a dead and dry planet. The water cycle isn't just about rain falling, the sun shining, and water rising. It's a massive system connected to climate, temperature, and life. All living creatures get their share of water thanks to this cycle. The oceans act as Earth's mood stabilizer. When temperatures rise, the ocean absorbs heat. When temperatures drop, the ocean releases heat. Without this, our daily temperatures could be extremely extreme. Clouds, it turns out, have a huge effect. They can reflect sunlight so Earth doesn't overheat. On the other hand, they also trap heat so it doesn't escape into space. The soil on Earth is rich in minerals due to processes over millions of years from volcanoes, rain, and erosion. This fertile soil allows plants to grow lushly, producing oxygen for us. The role of plants is even more incredible. They don't just make oxygen, but also regulate temperature, make rainfall more stable, and provide food for almost the entire food chain. Even tiny creatures like bacteria have unimaginable impacts. They decompose organic waste, keep soil fertile, and even helped create the modern atmosphere. Mountains and valleys regulate wind direction. The wind we enjoy every day is the result of the collaboration between Earth's topography and air temperature. This also helps distribute heat evenly. Earth's rotation makes day and night stable. The temperature difference between these two times regulates wind and energy movement. If the rotation were wobbly, the weather could go haywire. Earth's revolution regulates the seasons. Seasons are needed for plants in their life cycle. Animals also follow seasonal patterns for migration or reproduction. What's interesting is that all these systems support each other. Damage to one system can affect the others, like dominoes. That's why climate change is such a major issue. For example, if temperatures rise too quickly, polar ice melts, sea levels rise, extreme weather increases, and the water cycle can be disrupted. Earth begins to lose its stability. The atmosphere is also extremely sensitive. Small changes in gas composition can change global temperatures. That's why the greenhouse effect must be kept from becoming excessive. Even though Earth looks strong, it's actually vulnerable. All the comforts we enjoy depend on a delicate balance that took billions of years to form. But the good news is, as long as humans understand how to care for this planet, Earth can continue to support life for future generations. We just need to not break the machine that's already working perfectly. Modern science also helps reveal how Earth's systems work. From satellites to soil sensors, everything helps us understand parts that were once mysterious. That understanding makes us realize living on Earth isn't just about luck, but also about the responsibility to keep this balance running. Ultimately, we know Earth can support life because of a combination of the right position, natural protections, complex systems, and incredible harmony. And in the end, the story of Earth is the story of our own home. As long as we care for it, Earth will remain the most comfortable place to live in the entire solar system. And if you like stories like this or are interested in similar topics, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. By subscribing, you won't miss out on other exciting content. In the next video, there will be an even more interesting topic. It could be more mysterious, more entertaining, or even more surprising than you imagined. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Likes and comments also help this channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.